starting my day, guys, with a protein packed and carbs breakfast. So the potatoes are carbs, egg is protein, obviously lentils are protein. I got some spinach for iron and tomatoes, got some toast, and obviously I got my tea. How can I not have my tea, guys? And I got a glass of water, and I've got my vitamin D tablet as well, what, vitamin C and zinc, and vitamin D3, guys. Take them all the year round. It's good for your bones. But yeah, I'm gonna enjoy my breakfast now, guys. Good morning, everybody. Assalamu alaikum. How's everybody doing? As you just seen, my gardeners have just left now. They've done the garden and it looks really nice, guys. It looks lovely and neat. That's what I like. Oh yeah, it's such a beautiful day, guys. Look at the sun. How's everybody doing? My name is Nazima. If you're new on here, please like and subscribe to my channel if this is your kind of thing. So I've just moved my olive trees here. This one's kind of dead because I forgot to do some extra holes in the pot. So he's cut it all down and see if it grows again. But you can see it's growing as well from here. So I don't know what's going to happen there. Let's see how that gets on when he comes back next month, if it's grown. There's one olive tree there. They're actually growing, guys. They weren't that tall when I got them. And this is another one that needs to go into the pot. But I'm gonna see first if that one grows. If it doesn't grow, then I'll put this one. I'm not gonna get another pot for it yet, and then I'm just gonna transfer it into that one. My flowers are looking good. I have to water every evening now because it's getting really hot. So this is how it's looking. These are my lettuce is doing well. That's my peppers. Coriander is definitely coming out. Tomatoes, there's not much signs of it yet. This is cucumber, that's the mint, and that is the orange peppers. Let's see. These are the flowers I put in, the hydrangeas. See, they're falling because it's been quite warm, so I need to water them every evening. That's my tree, guys. That's in the middle. And these are the hydrangea. Yeah, see, I need to water them every evening because they're in a sunny spot, as you can see. So I have to water them every evening. That's my other tree. That's my climber, which is climbing well. See, they all need watering, but it looks really tidy. And that one that I got, I moved these two were on that side, but I moved them onto this side now. And this one's looking good. I just think it needs a bit of water as well. They're all dehydrated at the moment. This is how it's looking, guys. Outfit of the day, shoes, you know, from Shein. That dress that I showed you in my last vlog. This is the way I worn it, with a belt, and obviously it's got a split on the side, but it's got no sleeves, so I had to wear this jacket for now till I get something to wear underneath, so I don't want to wear sleeveless. Just want to be modest as I can. Oh, what's that hanging down? Yeah, this is my outfit, guys. Yeah, I'm just gonna go and see my friend. That's my bag as well from Shein. Yeah, I'm gonna go and see my friend I haven't seen for like 5-6 months basically, and her little baby. I'm just gonna go and see them in Chaiwala. So I'll see you guys later and I'll show you what I ordered from there. So this is my day today. So far, that's my plan for today. I just picked up this parcel from Boots, guys. When I get home later, I'll show you. I've got a good deal on this, guys. And always order on a Tuesday in Boots online, and you can get some good deals, guys. Got that, and I picked up a wipes as well and more points. So it's all saving money today. I'm home now, guys. This is what I picked up from Boots, which I was going to show you when I got home. Boots do a Tuesdays, you probably know, they do special offers on Tuesdays online. So you can order, you don't have to order anything extra or for the sake of ordering, just order your skincare. Just make sure which one you use daily, just order it on a Tuesday, because some of the offers you get on there are amazing, guys. Look, I ordered this, what I use on a daily basis, obviously Garnier, micellar water. Everybody knows about micellar water. and this is what I use for NYX Epic Incliner. This on its own is £10, guys, and this is 400 mils, and you can get this for like £6-7 that or probably on a special offer £5. So both of these together, like, they were almost like, I think just £11 or something, them two together, guys. Like, this is actually £10 on its own. So that's why every penny counts. You need to go to Boots online and order your normal skincare, whatever you usually use on a daily basis or whenever you want to use it. Just, there's loads of offers on a Tuesday, so definitely make the most of it and use your offers, guys, because everything is so expensive now. Every penny that you actually can save is probably a bonus, really. But yeah, that's what I wanted to share with you. What are my plans for today? So obviously, you know, as you've seen, I went to see my friend, I went to see her little baby, and now I'm home. I had to do a few errands on the way, so now I'm home. So I don't know about later on. I'll probably eat out today with my other friend. Let's see. I just thought I'd make a day of eating out today because I can't be bothered to cook anything today. So I'll probably eat out today. But if I do eat anywhere nice, I'll share it with you guys. I'll vlog it anyway.
Usually this area comes alive at night.
Hi guys, it's a few days later. I'm just at work. Last time you see my vlog when I went out with my friend to eat. We actually went for an Italian restaurant, but that restaurant that was in that place, it was closed down, so there was a new restaurant that was open, so we just went there. But it was nice. It was obviously I wanted to go to an Italian restaurant, but maybe next time. But the food was nice and we enjoyed it, and it's all about the company, really, isn't it? And we had a tea at another place. I had the matka tea, so I tried that, and it was really nice. It's proper desi style, like the tea that you get in Pakistan, basically. But yeah, it was lovely. Just a few days later, I'm at work. I've started early today, but guys, I'm like flabbergasted. Look at this garden, guys. I went to a patient's house, obviously with their permission. I'm filming the garden. I just couldn't believe it. God, I couldn't film this. Obviously the video doesn't do any justice to it. I'm telling you, it's absolutely huge. It's like 3 gardens in one, but I couldn't redo all of it because it's like too much. But how hard would have this been to do, guys, and how talented are they? The family did it themselves. I think it's the son that did it, the patient's son, and it's absolutely beautiful. It's like their own little, well, not little, their own big park, and it's matured so nicely, guys. You know how I feel about gardens. I love gardens, but yeah, I just wanted you to enjoy this garden as much as I'm enjoying it, guys. But yeah, so I've got a break later. I've got like an hour free, so I'm meeting my sister for lunch as well, so I'll see you there, guys.